Rahbor Kapatisi TV.
President John ka United States of America lakin tuig Israel bakadiban sange no kijing terbom ha Gaza namal ka Hamas kla menjur ban pelat no ya Baroh kenong Israel kibla Shah Rahbor ha ka Hamas umendirang badu ke Israel Benjamin Netanyahu ulong buklo ben sange ledak long komta utram ulong bagani ka rai jong ka Hamas kan penkut sendon no ya kathma ula kerpa ke Israel bakan sange no shuai kathma kana manyo pelat kloy no ya kibla Shah Rahbor Bahadin kani onsekran kampanya komno ban penkut sendano ya katama ke Israel kloong baga kloy bani trailang bat ke Amerika mereka komi kendon bak nongrim bak Israel kabo shua bak Hamas kan aiktian cho utram baga kloy ban pelan ke Israel kla ther bom lakilaka hatala teni street ha Gaza city bat Khan Yunis bat ladan ke jing julor ke bashir khai kumanch pen kan mau baga jing her thma ke Israel ha Gaza menta kala ya la ars nam kinthi katana do ka Pediatric urisau arajar apulai hadu menta bat ladan ki pho hajar ngun kibla yam bat ki lak ngun kibla phetch nong na Gaza ka jing her thma ke Israel ha Gaza krina mar ba ka nyotri urisau arajar apulai ka Hamas kla her thma kinsan ha kuwei ni ki jaka pen long tamasa ha Israel bat hakan ga jing her thma ka Hamas ladan hadu ka ars pa ngun ki pat ba kibla ya bat ars pa san phuwei ngun kibla Shah Rahbor
I want to thank the countries that helped me put this together. Qatar, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Jordan, and so many others. So many people fought so hard. This is a big day. We'll see how it all turns out. We have to get the final word down in concrete. Very importantly, I look forward to having the hostages come home to their parents and having some of the hostages, unfortunately, you know the condition they're in, come home likewise to their parents because their parents wanted them just as much as though that young man or young woman were alive. So I just want to let you know that this is a very special day, maybe unprecedented in many ways. It is unprecedented, but thank you all, and thank you all to those great countries that helped. We were given a tremendous amount of help. Everybody was unified in wanting this war to end and seeing peace in the Middle East. And we're very close to achieving that. Thank you all, and everybody will be treated fairly.
Hamas is responsible for this war. It invaded our towns, murdered our people, raped our women, and kidnapped our loved ones. Hamas refused offer after offer to release our hostages. In the past 2 weeks, Israel did not initiate any military action in the hope that Hamas would change course. Well, that didn't happen. While Israel accepted the offer of President Trump's special envoy, Steve Witkoff, Hamas flatly refused to do so. And this is why I authorized yesterday the renewal of military action against Hamas. Israel does not target Palestinian civilians. We target Hamas terrorists. And when these terrorists embed themselves in civilian areas, when they use civilians as human shields, they're the ones who are responsible for all unintended casualties. Palestinian civilians should avoid any contact with Hamas terrorists. And I call on the people of Gaza, get out of harm's way, move to safer areas. Because every civilian casualty is a tragedy. And every civilian casualty is the fault of Hamas. I thank President Trump for his unwavering support for Israel. Our alliance with the United States has never been stronger. To those who criticize Israel, I ask, what would you do if terrorists murdered and kidnapped your children? You would do what we are doing. In the face of pure evil, free societies have no choice but to fight. So I want to assure all our friends around the world, Israel will fight and Israel will win. We will bring our people home and we will destroy Hamas. We will not relent until we achieve all these vital goals. And we will not rest until we give our country a future of peace, prosperity, and hope.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is, if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Rahbor Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.